In this video, we will look at how to add a taskbar to the Fedora 43 GNOME desktop. Mainly there are two types of taskbar to GNOME desktop, and one is called panel, which is more like Windows taskbar, and there also one called dock, which is similar to the Apple Mac taskbar. And we will look at the both option, and then you can select the one you like the most. So to get started, we need to install the GNOME Extensions app. And if you haven't already installed it, you have to install it using the dnf command, and here we can find the exact name of the package using the dnf search command, and we will search for GNOME extensions. So here's the name of the package we want to install, and we will install it using the dnf install command. And after installing the GNOME extensions package, we have to install one of the taskbar extension, and first we will look at the what we call dash-to-panel. We will find the exact name of the extension using the dnf search command again, and we will search for dash-to-panel with dash in between words. And here's the name of the extension. It is called gnome-shell-extension-dash-to-panel, and we will install it using the dnf install command. And after installing the extension, usually it is going to appear in the extensions manager, and right now we can't see because we have to first restart the computer. Okay, so after the restart, if we open the extensions tab, now we should have this panel now, dash-to-panel extension, and if we enable, it will add the taskbar to our desktop, and then we can right click the taskbar and select dash-to-panel settings, and we will change few settings here. And here's the auto hide option, and the one I want to change here is application menu button, and we will move it to center, and that will center icons in the taskbar. And then we will also unpin the icons we don't want, and if we want, we can add new icons to the taskbar using right click and then pin to dash. And also there is a button called show desktop button in the right bottom corner, and if you click that button, it will minimize all open windows and will show the desktop, and that's the quickest way to show desktop in the GNOME desktop taskbar. There is another taskbar called dock, which is similar to the Mac dock style taskbar, and for that we need to install a package called dash-to-dock. And here's the package dash-to-dock, and we will also install that. And again here we need to restart the computer first. So now after the restart, we will go to the extensions manager, and now we have a new extension called dash-to-dock. First we will disable the dash-to-panel extension, and that will disable the Windows style taskbar, and we will enable this one, and that will add this dock style taskbar to your desktop. And to manage the settings of this one, click the three dotted icon and select settings, and here you will have the setting window setting window to the customize this dock style taskbar, and here's the auto height setting, and here's also you can select you can change color and appearance as well, but I personally like the Windows style taskbar, so I will switch to that, but you can use the one you like between panel and dock. Anyway, that's how we add the taskbar to the GNOME desktop in Fedora 43. In the next video, we'll look at how to enable this minimize and maximize button to the Windows, and if you enable taskbar, you also going to need this maximize and minimize buttons. And also here I have enabled desktop icons, and we will also look at that in the next video, and you will find those video link in the description.